beautiful district in Odisha known for its rich tribal heritage and lush landscapes. Today, we will explore the Tribal Museum, a fascinating institution that has been preserving and showcasing the region's indigenous culture since its establishment in 1991. Join us as we tour the museum's exhibits, discovering the intricate artifacts and learning about the diverse tribal history that makes Koraput a truly special place. Perched on a hillock overlooking Koraput, the Tribal Museum stands as a beacon of cultural preservation. This museum is not just a building, it is a gateway to understanding the lives of the Adivasi communities who have thrived in this region for centuries. The entrance to the museum is adorned with vibrant tribal paintings and sculptures that instantly transport you into a world where tradition meets artistry. Life-size statues of tribal dancers and musicians stand tall, welcoming you with the rhythm and spirit of their culture. These figures represent the very essence of the tribes, whose lives are intricately woven with music, dance, and ritual. As you step inside, the museum reveals its vast collection of artifacts, each piece telling a story of the past. From stones, sculptures that have stood the test of time to the traditional tools and ornaments that reflect the daily lives of these communities, every item is a window into the world of Odisha's tribes. The tools and weapons on display are more than just objects. They are symbols of the tribes, resourcefulness, and deep connection with nature. Handcrafted with precision, these items were not just for survival, but also for rituals, marking important events and transitions in life of the community. The traditional clothing and jewelry of the tribes, with their vibrant colors and intricate designs, speak of a culture that values beauty in everyday life. Each piece of fabric, each ornament is not just an accessory but a statement of identity, passes down through generations, preserving the uniqueness of each tribe. One of the most fascinating exhibits here is the large 3D topographical model of the Koraput region. This meticulously crafted model gives visitors a bird's eye view of the hills, valleys, forests, and tribal villages scattered across the district. It offers a unique perspective on the geographical diversity that shapes the lives of the tribes, helping you connect the dots between the land and its people. The museum also pays homage to the sacred traditions of the tribes, particularly the sacred groves, patches of forest dedicated to local deities. These groves are more than just protected areas. They are spiritual sanctuaries where no plant is cut, no animal harmed. This practice reflects the tribe's deep respect for nature and their belief in the interconnectedness of all life. The museum itself is housed in a 150-year-old colonial bungalow, a structure that has witnessed the passage of time and the transformation of Koraput. Originally the office of the Tea District Labour Association, this building was repurposed to serve as a museum, preserving not just the artifacts within its walls, but also the history of the land it stands on. The modern world owes much of its understanding of tribal cultures to the works of Warrior Elwin, an explorer, clergyman, and later a Gandhian, who spent his life documenting the lives of Indian tribes. His writings, though sometimes controversial, highlighted the richness of tribal customs, their connection to nature, and their unique social structure. Elwin's work reminds us of the importance of preserving these cultures not as relics of the past, but as living traditions that continues to inspire. The museum's exhibits delve into the customs that define the tribes of Odisha, rituals that mark the passage of time, marriage customs that bind communities together, and sacred rites that connect them to the divine. These practices are not just traditions, they are the foundation of the tribe's way of life passed down through generations with reverence and care. But the Tribal Museum is more than just a place for visitors, it's a hub for research and preservation. Scholars, researchers, and tribal experts come together here to document, study, and protect the rich heritage of Odisha's tribes. The museum's extensive library and research facilities are a treasure trove of knowledge, ensuring that the traditions and stories of these communities continue to thrive and evolve. The museum also hosts a range of temporary exhibitions, cultural events, and interactive activities designed to engage visitors of all ages. These initiatives provide a platform for cultural exchange where the voices of the tribes are heard, their stories shared, and their art appreciated by a wider audience. In a world that is constantly changing, the Tribal Museum in Koraput stands as a beacon of continuity, a place where the past meets the present and where learning goes hand in hand with appreciation. It reminds us that the wisdom of the tribes, their respect for nature, their culture of sharing, and their deep sense of community are values that the modern world can learn from and cherish. As we conclude our journey through the Tribal Museum, we are left with a deep sense of respect for the tribes of Odisha. Their culture, their tradition, and their way of life are not just part of history. They are a living heritage that continues to inspire and teach us. The Tribal Museum in Koraput is more than just a museum. It is a testament to the enduring spirit of these communities, a place where their stories will continue to be told for generations to come. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the Tribal Museum of Koraput. If you have enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, Laura Anika TV. There are so many more stories to uncover, so stay tuned for our next adventure.